Hi, this is a short video on how you can make a professional quality video with BlueFX templates in under 5 minutes. This one is for premium business. First, you start by opening your download zip file. Inside, you'll find the folders labeled Music, Project, Tutorials, and a README file. Inside the tutorial folder is several different tutorials. The tutorial videos show you in detail all the options of the template, as this video is just a demo to show you how the template works. Inside the folder labeled Projects, you'll find the working template. I'm going to use my already existing template. Once open and loaded into After Effects, you'll see the different folders inside the project. You just want to alter the folders labeled You Change. First, we'll replace the logo. Locate your logo, then drag into the sequence labeled Your Logo container and drop it into the timeline. Make sure you hide or delete the placeholder. Next, we'll replace the first 2 lines. Just double-click on the 2 lines layer and type in your introductory message. Next, we'll replace the videos. There are 10 places for videos in this project. Open up the Video Holder 1 timeline, then drag and drop the video into the top layer, paying attention to the in and out points. Repeat this for all subsequent videos. Now we'll put in the Awards section. There are 5 sections for awards. Open Awards 1, then double-click on the text layers and type in the details for your awards. Repeat this for all 5. Now we'll replace the main charts. First, double-click on the text layer, then replace the titles. Then double-click on the select chart and you can select between Donut Chart, Bar Chart Year, or Bar Chart with 5 values. Double-click on the chart you want and then you can change the values. Now we'll edit the clients list. There are 4 places for clients lists with 6 places for logos. Double-click on the text layer and type in the title. Then double-click on the client's logo set, and place the logos. Next, we'll put in the corporate concepts. There are 10 places for corporate concepts. Double-click on Concept 1, then double-click on the text layers and type in your concepts. Then double-click on the holder concept, then drag and drop your images into the timeline. Repeat this for all 10. In corporate growth, you can show the growth of your company on a worldwide scale. Double-click on the text layers and edit your message. In CSR, you can add more information about your company. Just double-click on the text layer, an image holder for the image. In history, you can project the history of your company. Just double-click on the text layer and image holder for the image. In locations, you can add the different locations for your company. Just double-click on the text layer and add the image holder for your image. In persons, you can introduce your senior staff. Double-click on Persons 1, then double-click on the text layers for the name and title. Then open the holder image Person 3 and you drag and drop the image of your staff. For process, there are 10 places to list out the processes your business uses. Double-click on Process 1, then type in the description of the process in your text layers. And then replace the photo in the placeholder. Repeat this for all subsequent processes. Now for the products and services. Double-click on the timeline, then double-click on the holder layer, and drag and drop the image you want to use above the placeholder layer. Then double-click on the text layer and type in the info about the products and services. Now repeat this for all subsequent products and services. For the images, double-click on the image placeholder timeline, then drag and drop the image into the timeline. Now type in the title for your point. For teams, you can put in pictures of your business team. Double-click on Team 1, then double-click on the person placeholder and drag and drop the headshot for your employees. You can change the name and position in the text layer. For titles, we'll put in the titles for the points in your presentation. There are 15 places for the titles. Double-click on Holder Title 1, then drag and drop the image you want to use for the title. Repeat this for all subsequent titles. When you finish all these steps, add to render queue. Select your output, and render. Creating a video like this would normally require you to hire an After Effects expert, a graphic designer, and it could take weeks to complete. This template gives you professional video with pop, all for a great price. Now that the rendering is done, let's take a look at the video. Hey, it looks great. You can download this template right now. Just go ahead and click the Buy Now button. Thanks for watching.